Hi there, it's your Sewing Sherpa Shauna here at Needles and Knots in Tucson, Arizona, and I want to invite you to join me to learn how to sew a Zafu. So I've done this workshop a couple of times, and I forgot I had a big old container left of the buckwheat hulls, which I found when I was rearranging the main room. So I bagged up a bunch, and I have enough to make maybe a dozen of them. So I decided to offer the workshop again, only it's going to be kind of a mini workshop. And I'm going to provide the buckwheat hulls, organic buckwheat hulls, the canvas that is going to go around it to hold them into place. And you provide the exterior fabric and the zipper, the 20-inch más o menos all-purpose zipper. Can have a cute pull or not. Your intentions. So your intentions are little slips of paper or objects or scents or who knows what that you can put inside with the buckwheat hulls inside of the interior pillow. So the zipper goes on and off, right? It lets you take the slip cover off, and the pillow on the inside is what holds the buckwheat hulls. So I provide pretty much everything except the zipper and the exterior fabric, but I do have plenty of zippers and fabric here available. It's just, you know, you might not be in love with it. I have some upholstery swatches and stuff like that. I'm certainly happy to share with you. And I'll throw up the Tibetan prayer flags. Somebody gave these to me, and we'll all make our little Zafus for meditating on. Or, you know, I mean, buckwheat hull pillows are trending right now, so you can put it on your couch if you want to. And these are also great to sit on if you do like floor computing, you know, like if you have a little desk and you like to sit on the floor, this keeps your posture great. So I hope you can join me for the first of this mini workshops for the summer, and learn how to set a centered zipper and sew a circle to a square. Circle to a square. That's always fun. I hope you are keeping things together despite all the chaos out there, and I look forward to sewing with you this summer. Keep on sewing.